How to cancel order on Shein. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. To cancel an order on your Shein, just go ahead and open up your Shein website or application. Make sure to log in. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom. From here, you will see My Orders, select Unpaid. So in here, you have to tap on All Orders where you will find every order you have placed. Now, if it's not has been shipped, you can easily cancel your order. All you have to do is tap on the order details. Locate the option of cancel order. All you have to do is tap on the particular option and it will ask for a confirmation and a reason which you can easily give regarding your reason. Moving on to the next part, that is to refund, you'll be provided with option of Shein wallet, payment account or gift card. You can easily select any of the refund method which will be loaded with the refund money. Depending upon the vendor, you may receive partial refund or even full refund as well. Mind it, if you select Shein wallet, it will take 24 hours to be processed. If you select payment account, it will take 2 to 6 business days. And when you select the gift card, it will be automatically be set on your gift card of Shein. You can just select any of this method and get your refund as well. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.